Uh, for Before studying the SI prefix, it would be better to teach the exponential numbers in maths, which is the representing the numbers in power of 10. So in your book, the title starts like this: Physics measures very long lengths and very short lengths. So when it says very long lengths, it uses the distance between the stars. For example, distance between stars is 1,0,0,0,0,0,0,0,0,0,0,0. This is so long. Or distance between electrons is 0.0000000 and so long. So it's for that, the book says that it's extremely difficult to write and read these numbers. For that reason, sometimes using the powers of 10, using powers will make our job easier, and we can express these measurements in an easy way. So we need to express these measurements in power of 10. In maths, this expressing the numbers in powers of 10 is known as exponential numbers. Maybe you can check it from the book, from the maths book. So better to start with 10 to power of negative 0, because 10 to power of 0 is equal to 1. So first, better to explain the numbers which is used for very long lengths. For example, 10 to power of 0 is 1. 10 to power of 1 is 10. So you are going to add on the right of 1 nil. So 10 to power of 2 is 100. You are going to add 2 0 on or nil on the right of 1. So 2, it's 10 to power of 2, 2 0. 10 to power of 3, 1, 2, 3. You are going to add 3 zeros on the right of the 1. 10 to power of 4 is 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros you are going to add on the right of the 10. 10 to power of 5 is 100,000. You are going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nils on the right side of 1. So this is how we get from exponential number to ordinary numbers. For others, for expressing the smaller short lengths, again we are going to start with 10 to power of 0, which is 1. 10 to power of negative 1 means 1 over 10, because it is 1 you are going to add on the right side of the 1, but you are going to divide this now 1 by that number, 1 over 10, which is equal to 0.1. So 0.1 is because it's negative 1. Negative means you are going to put the nil on the left side. 1 means you are going to put just 1 nil on the left side of the 1. So 10 to the power negative 2, which means 1 over 100. So it is 2. You are going to put here 1, 2 nils, which is 0.01. So you are going to put 2 zeros on the left side of 1. So 10 to the power negative 3, 1 over 1000. There is 3. So you are going to add 1, 2, 3 nils on the right side of the 1. So 1 over 1000, which is equal to 0.001. Again, we are going to add on the left side of the 1 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the power of negative 4, 1 over 10,000, because this is 4, you are going to add it 1, 2, 3, 4 nils. So 1 over 10,000 is equal to 0.0001, which is negative 4, means you are going to add on the left side of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 nils. So then it is better to do these exercises. It would be better to do these exercises. One of them is, for example, convert 350,000 to 10 to a number which is 10 to the power of something. 3.5 times 10 to the power of what? Or 415,000, 4.15 times 10 to the power of what? So maybe you can solve this by this way. So for example, 350,000. So you are going to write it by 3.5 times 10 to the power of something. So you are going to carry the comma or the dot or the point between 3 and 5. You will locate it. So, but initially the point is here. Between this point and that point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which means there are 5 digits. So you are going to put here 5 on the, as a power of 10. Next one is 415,000 is equal to 4.15 times what? 10 to the power of what? So again, you will carry the point from here to there between 4 and 1. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. There are 5 digits, which means power of 5. It must be power of 5. You can also use the same logic, very similar logic for converting these numbers. For example, 0.0008 is equal to 1.8 times 10 to the power of what? So you are going to carry the comma between 1 and 8. So then count between these two points how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. So you are going to write here negative 4. So next one, 0.000083. You are going to write this number as 8.3 times 10 to the power of what? So you are going to carry this point from here to there between 8 and 3. Count how many digits between these two points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 digits. For that reason, here must be 10 to the power of negative 6. So maybe it would be better to explain these exercises or these ways in one lesson, because later students will use these things and even they don't know how to convert this to that or this to that in the 12th grade. So better to make these exercises, I think.